Hello?
This down. Nope. That's not it. That's too bright. How'd you do this last time?
I don't know, there's like a dim thing. Hi everyone, we're just setting up. Let's see, screen and camera.
Is that better?
Yeah, it seems okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Hello everybody.
I don't see anything in the chat room.
Let's type a message. Hi everybody.
Hopefully they can hear us.
No. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, we have mutes unmutes. No sound or image. Gonna refresh. Screen plus cam. Okay. I see us there.
Cool.
Can you hear us?
Yeah, can you hear us?
Angelo Vox.
Okay,
Okay.
good. Okay, let's get started now.
Okay.
uh,
Okay, cool.
cool.
Hello.
Hi everyone.
Fair old Gerald. Bruno Supremo. Angelo Vox. Mally. How's everybody? Well, today we're going to be working on... we're going to follow up the mods thing we were doing last time. Just generally talking about mods, thinking about mods, general engineering type stuff. So you had a mod idea.
Yeah, so I wanted to be a little bit more
Music
focused.
too loud?
Oh,
Where's that
too
at?
loud with like caps. Holy crap. It's at the same level as did before. How's the music now?
Any better? Okay.
All right, weird.
Yeah.
All right, so we just wanted to be a bit more focused this time. So I'm gonna like make one mod. We're gonna try and introduce a Necromancer class to the game.
And yeah, it's worth noting this is just to play around with us, like getting into modding. So this isn't going to be like a class that gets added to the main game.
Yeah, it's probably not going to function that well.
Yeah,
but we're gonna try it.
Yeah. So the goal of the Necromancer class is going to be a class kind of similar to the Cleric. Probably look like the Cleric, I think.
Probably be a clone of the Cleric mostly at first.
Yeah, and we want it to be able to, when it engages into combat, class.
Yeah, class, yeah.
I never remember the nomenclature because in our code sometimes it's called class, sometimes it's called job, but yeah, a job.
It's a job.
Job. So, a Necromancer job.
Did you figure out what's making your stats reset from last week?
What stats?
Oh, yes. Actually, we asked Linda about this.
Oh, yeah.
And so that actually we revealed a bug there. So what we did was we set the population, like the points that could be assigned to initial Hearthlings, but that's not actually where that data lives, and that's in the attributes component, and that had a maximum of 6.
Mm-hmm.
So when it was reloaded, it was like a fix-up was run or whatever, and it was like capping it at the maximum. So there, in population. So that's actually in another JSON file.
Right.
Maybe we'll get to that after we do some of this Necromancer stuff.
Sounds good. So yeah, we want it to be kind of like a Cleric, and when it gets into combat, it'll summon skeletons that are on the side of the player to fight with them. And then we'll see how far we get and see if we add any other features to it.
All right, let's start. I'm going to start just by like cloning the starter mod. So here's our folder. We got starter mod basic. Let's just duplicate this. Let's see. And rename this. We're going to call this Necromancer.
Sounds good.
Okay, so the basic idea of you can think of this mod folder as having a similar or the same structure as the Stonehearth mod structure, and we're going to kind of like overlay this information on the other mod. So if we look at like Stonehearth mods, Stonehearth, we'll see like there's a manifest and jobs and entities and all these things like AI related to the game, and we want to introduce like a new job, which is going to be the Necromancer. So let's see, jobs. Actually, maybe we should make that talisman first.
Sure.
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah.
So we're going to create a talisman. So it's actually still under jobs, but let's see. Let's take the cleric, copy that. We're going to go into our mod, which is the Necromancer mod, and make a new folder, jobs. So like we're making a jobs folder because this is our jobs folder for our mod, and we don't need all the other jobs or whatever. We're just gonna have our job. So I'm gonna rip off the cleric and call it Necromancer.
Oh yeah, and just to clarify, when we say talisman, that means the like item that is used to promote a Hearthling to a job.
So everything here is like called like cleric something, cleric whatever. So we're gonna like rename that eventually. But let's start with cleric tome. Necronomicon. Sounds good. So we've got to get this Book of the Dead to upgrade.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna have like a split path. Now the herbalist is gonna be able to, well, not yet. We're working on it, but like. Like either upgrade into a cleric or a necromancer. So let's.
Yeah, I would.
I'm gonna just go through and like rename this. So.
Yeah, sounds good. Yeah, this is less a tutorial because we've both only played around with making mods like a little bit. So this is less a tutorial and us figuring it out, and hopefully it will show. It'll show both the community how we would do this kind of stuff, but also it gets us more in line with how like what modders have to go through, so that we can better understand the process. Pop out the Twitch chat. Sure.
How do we do that? This?
No.
No. This button? Nope.
Maybe the thing in the top right?
This thing?
We can always Google it. Any of those buttons?
This button?
Pop out.
Nice.
There we go. Okay.
Run this time.
Okay.
Cool. There you go. So, like right now I'm just renaming these things, so it's like literally just the cleric tome, but it's going to be called the Necronomicon, but we'll edit that in a second. Just gonna start renaming things because we're gonna make a class like we need to have an icon in the world, that like an entity in the world that they pick up and they equip to gain that job.
Mm-hmm.
Is there a bulk rename?
In Windows?
Yeah.
Not that I know of. I mean, probably. We have MinGW on here.
Yeah.
Could you swap your thing and that thing so I can? Yeah.
Okay.
That'll make it easier for me to read.
Okay, so let me actually open up.
Serendires, hello? Is that how you say the name? I don't know any names. I'll get them all wrong.
Let me open this folder.
Okay.
Let's see, Stonehearth mods. Select folder. Great. Oop. Yeah. Okay.
Move that off of the chat.
Yeah, sorry. All right, so we just renamed a bunch of things inside our mod. So this is like Stonehearth. I opened like the base folder so we can like have some reference, because we're gonna need to go and like look at stuff and
right.
stuff. So let's open our Necromancer mod and check out this manifest.
They got piggy bank.
Yeah. So we don't want a piggy bank. That's the default. So we do want wait, no, let's change this. So this is going to be the name of the mod itself, and all of our like aliases will be prefixed with this name : so like normally you'll see like Stonehearth : action or whatever,
right.
But since it's in our mod, we're gonna have Necromancer.
Necromancer.
Oops. Okay. So let's make an entity here. So not this. Jobs, Necromancer, Necronomicon, Talisman. So how does the cleric do this? Let's open up the other manifest. Stonehearth one. Okay, so cleric. So is it cleric talisman?
Yeah.
Yeah, talisman. So they just list this cleric tome, which we renamed already. So let's just copy this line. This has been renamed also. Okay, so we've got this talisman. Is this enough? Can we load this mod? Oh yeah. We'll get into the mix and twos. We don't have. Oh no, we do want a recipe. We'll do that next. Let's just try and spawn it with debug tools and see if that worked. Okay.
Oh, this might be the main game. We might want to set it to a micro world or something.
No, it's fine. We'll just load this and then like reload it.
Yeah. Okay.
Whoa. Whoops. Can't see this.
Oh.
Okay. So. Oh, we didn't load the mod. All right. Let's turn that on. Okay, yeah. So we got.
Hello, TJMG.
Hey. So we got to open the mod, like settings window, find our mod, which is going to be.
That's a good point, Bruno.
Oh, invalid manifest. So
we messed something up.
Yeah, probably a comma or something somewhere. What did Bruno say?
He was saying the manifest version doesn't relate to your mod version. It's the game's version.
Right. So if we put a mod, like let's do that right now. Actually, let's put like version 1, and we like load this.
There was I think I saw a trailing comma.
Oh, there's a trailing comma.
I think so.
Oh, it's gonna say invalid manifest.
Yeah.
Where's the trailing comma?
Was that the right there?
Yeah, oh. Okay, let's try that again.
Jason.
Okay, rise, children.
Mm-hmm.
We do want fly. Oh yeah, thanks, Bruno. All right, mods out of date. So that's because the version that we put in was 1. So if you put in the version 3 now, and then we update the version of the game to be like 4 or something, then the old mods will be out of date. Jason!
Think about what you've done, Jason.
All right, 3.
Jason!
How do we reload without, I'll just load this one. Oops. settings, mods, end
Necromancer.
pieces. Okay, Necromancer. Oh, it was enabled by default. Interesting. Okay. So now the only thing that is in our mod is like a copy of the cleric, and in our manifest we've said over here like we want this Necromancer talisman, and we've like pointed to it.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, this might break because we didn't modify this file at all. But let's try it.
Oh, so it still says like cleric everywhere.
Yeah, probably.
That's probably okay.
Let's find out.
Yeah. Goblins are our friends.
Oh, okay. Recipe, furniture sample recipe. Okay, we can ignore that, I hope. Let's see. Necromancer. Yay! Okay, Necromancer. Oh, I guess it says it twice because...
Because the mod name, and then we named it, like, the job.
Okay, it's not... Oh, it is instantiating, but it's... Oh, interesting.
It's just the effect?
Whoa, they're just picking up empties.
So, yeah.
Right.
Okay, so so there's probably like a reference to the QMO.
Yeah, let's check that out. So we need to edit Necronomicon talisman.js. So in here, let's see, item properties, cleric tome. Oh yeah, so it was referenced because we renamed the QB file.
Yep.
So we need a cool. Anything else?
Like the display name and stuff, but we can do that later.
Yeah. Okay.
The icon, yeah.
Icon stockpile. Great. So we should be able to just look at that. So next thing we should set up is the recipe so that we can actually
build it.
Build it.
Yeah, we will need an alias for the job. Right now, it should be fine to just be able to instantiate the object.
Yeah, there's no job stuff yet.
This thing again, whatever it is.
Yeah, that's because the way the recipe is like invalid, I think. Okay. Necromancer. Oh, I guess we also have a necromancer. Nice. Okay.
You're gonna go grab it.
And it says cleric's tome. Oh, let's do that first. Let's
Okay.
change the localization.
Sounds good.
Okay, so right here what this is saying is like look up the string that is at like jobs.cleric.cleric's tome or cleric's tome talisman inside a localization file. You can have your own localization file inside your mod, and this is our localization file. We don't have any entities, but we do have. So when it says like jobs dot something else, that means like make a jobs object, and then inside that, let's just copy this. So jobs dot instead of cleric necromancer, and then instead of cleric's tome, we want the Necronomicon. And
Necronomicon talisman. It depends on how we.
Yeah, it depends how we're gonna.
We actually don't need to go that deep if we don't want to.
Yes. So we'll just copy that right now. Oh, yes. And then here we're gonna say the display name, and then the description.
Mm-hmm.
So, because we're gonna need to reference these in the other files
Yep.
too. Okay, description. What's a good description for the Necronomicon?
Book of the Dead?
Book of the dead.
A Book of the Dead? And Book of the Dead?
Dead names, right? As dead names?
A sham created by Aleister Crowley.
There we go. Okay. So that. Now when we want to reference that, we need to like put in this place, we need to put the name of our mod, which is Necromancer. And then here, like, Necronomicon. Wait, no. Dot Necromancer.
Yeah. Necromancer, Necronomicon, Necronomicon Tome?
Talisman.
Necronomicon Talisman? Yeah.
Dot display name. Okay. Well, we want this whole thing to be the same.
Yeah.
So I'll just copy that.
Looks good. I think that should work.
Okay. Wait, we need some emoji. Hold on. Okay. Nice. Let's reload. Hopefully that displays.
Yeah. It should.
Should be
as long as we don't have the syntax slightly.
Oh yeah, do we put any commas like?
That looks good.
That yeah.
Oh, that.
Oh no,
Yep.
God. Okay. All right,
reload.
Reload.
Books.
Oh, books emoji. Oh wait, let's copy it from here. Okay. Nice.
For the modeling, we use what, cubicle?
Yes. Okay. What nil value?
No value.
I don't like nil value. Let's bring that here. Oh no.
Okay, so yeah, the path is messed up.
So the path is messed up, I think.
Necromancer.jobs.necromancer? Let's make sure.
Wait, we need to see if this locale's oh, the locale's not mixed in. That's right. So we need to wait, do we need to mix it in? Or did we need to do like default locale en? Yeah. Yeah, I think let's open another mod to see what they did. The locale mod.
Yeah.
Manifest.
Okay.
So
yeah.
Supported languages.
But then they have, they had separate down there.
Oh, where?
Go, yeah. The overrides?
The overrides? I don't think that was it. That was, okay, items maybe? Manifest.
Yeah, we don't want to override.
This is what I was thinking of, like default locale. I think we need that.
Okay.
Let's try again. $3D Max? Oh yeah, 3ds Max. Yeah, that's cool.
Nice.
I think some of the stuff was originally done in 3ds Max for Stonehearth. Though recently, or I don't know how recently, but we switched over to Maya. I think Mali can talk more about that. Oh yeah, we can ignore this one. Oh yeah, let us know if this keyboard is better. Like some people on YouTube were saying that the keyboard was
pretty noisy.
Noisy and annoying last time, or great depending on who's. Oh yeah, awesome, it worked. Necronomicon. Little book emoji, great. Book of the Dead Names, sweet.
They're upset because of those books.
They're so sad. Okay, so we can't really give this to anybody. Like, if we wanted to say, like, oh yeah, this guy was. Yeah. This guy's a cultist hothead, so he's gonna be the the Necromancer.
Yeah.
Oh, not character sheet. Change jobs. But right now it's not showing up in our class hierarchy, so we've got to do some work to do that. Let's see. What do we want to do next? Let's
add the job in so we can promote to it.
Yeah, let's try it. Okay, so we need to mix into the job index. Jobs index. So the jobs index looks like this, and it's like a list of all the jobs in the world.
Mm-hmm.
And we need to add a new entry into this one. So we do that by creating a small JSON file that has just our one job, and then we mix it into the other file with that mix in thing. Jobs, Necromancer.
Usable by one culture.
I think you can have that job. Let's see, Rise Children is like a mod. So
Exactly,
if it
yeah.
introduces a new job, then it's, I guess by definition, only like usable by that culture, or whatever that mod is.
Mm-hmm.
You could have a bunch of stuff. Okay, so not this though. Necromancer.
Yeah.
We should have named that something else. Too late now. All right.
It works.
So commas. Nope. Jobs. Okay. So we want to save that in our mod. Index. So I'm putting it outside because this is like an index of all the jobs. So like we could have like 5 jobs in our mod, right? So
Yeah.
alright. Let's mix that in. Oh.
Sublime.
Whoa. Okay.
Cropping out.
So this is where the mix into's come into.
Mhm.
So we need to mix into jobs.index from our jobs. Oh wait, we wanted a recipe too.
We can do the recipe next.
Let's do. Okay, I'll duplicate this. And this is index. Okay. So that should tell it that we have like a Necromancer job. Let's do the recipe really quick.
Okay.
So we want it to be an herbalist recipe and recipes.json, and we're gonna call this necro. Okay, so we're adding this craftable recipe, which is the Necronomicon, to the craftable recipes of the herbalist. And we're going to rename this file. And here, so here we can reuse this localization thing that we had in the other file.
Mm-hmm.
Let's grab that. Oh, recipe name. We'll just use display name. That's fine. Flavorful.
Keep that in.
Okay, flavorful. Yeah. Leave that there. Entities. Do you want to copy the cleric stone, or like, oh, we can reference it? The portrait? There's an icon.
Yeah.
Jobs, Necromancer, images. This one?
Yep.
Alright, we'll modify that. So this would be...
Necromancer?
It's weird. Oh, I guess we would want to say file if we wanted to make that independent.
Hmm.
Like, could we do that? I think so. We're just saying like file, and then that will append the Necromancer name.
Right. Because it's already within the context of this mod.
Do we put quotes when we say file, or no?
We put quotes on the outside, but yeah, not internally.
Okay. So then this would be file jobs Necromancer Necronomicon. Wait, or was it images? Oh no, it's Necromancer images
Necronomicon. Or was it just...
Icon.
No, yeah, it was in with the buffs and stuff.
Yeah, so icon. Alright. Let's try that.
Requirement 0, it takes 1 wood resource. It produces a piggy bank.
Okay, let's say... not that.
Here, Book of the Dead.
And... ingredients.
Yeah.
Let's look at the clerics now. There's gotta be a recipe somewhere. Yeah. Leather and herb. Ooh, cleric talisman. Oh wait, we wanted to do talisman for the other thing. Oh, we didn't. Oh, we didn't set an alias up for it. Oh, did we?
Let's go back.
Let's see. Yeah, so that's the talisman actually of the thing we want.
So then we want it to produce Necromancer Talisman.
Yes. So
or was it Necronomicon Talisman? I can't remember.
Oh, we did Necromancer Talisman.
Okay.
Okay.
So Necromancer Talisman.
Okay. So here, let's take the ingredients to be similar to the tome, but instead of herb resource, like meat resource. Right?
Sure.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Count 1. How many bodies do you have to put into the book?
Depends on how righteous they are.
10 bodies. 10 skins. Okay.
That's a lot of leather.
Yeah, that's a lot of leather. Let's say 2. 2. That's better. Yes, file is relative to your current position. Okay, let's see.
What else do we have to do? Okay, so we have the
we'll
recipe.
just say level requirement 0.
Yeah.
Let's find recipe. So we have a recipe. It'll make the talisman. And we're mixing this into the herbalist recipe. So it might be done. You want to try it?
Sure. Do we have a... Oh, yeah, that guy's an herbalist, right? The hothead cultist.
Oh, I just reloaded.
We'll see.
Sad. Okay. Oh, no, I should do a quick save of him with the herbalist after this.
Yeah.
Alright. Loading.
Did we mess something up?
Probably. Do we have the lock? Oh, no, I don't have the lock here. Nope.
That's not what we want.
This one.
Okay. Load JSON.
Oh, yeah, here we go.
Job
JSON.
service.lua. Has no alias. Jobs Necromancer.
Oh. Okay, let's open the other manifest up. Alright, Stonehearth manifest. Jobs. Jobs. Cleric. Oh, I guess it doesn't matter.
No, yeah, any of those.
And then our manifest. We want no comma. Okay, so we're gonna have jobs, necromancer description. Oh, which is gonna have a bunch of stuff in it. Okay.
Yep.
So jobs, necromancer.
So we have the cleric one, right?
Yeah, we have the cleric one, but we need to edit the stuff. Oh, it's actually not even renamed yet.
Okay.
Let's rename that. Okay.
Move the
Oops.
bottom window. Just a smidge.
Okay. Hi.
Hello, Felix. Mean Narwhal.
Just gonna go through and just
Dragonite.
rename
Hello.
things as I can here. Okay, so these are the same display name stuff. Let's job. Oh no, this is the job description.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Let's go into our EN file. We don't need this. jobs. Necromancer description. Okay.
Oh yeah, time's really flying. We gotta get to the skeletons.
Oh god, okay. Display name. Okay, I'll just try to go and then you read the comments.
Thank you, Felix. We're programming a mod into Stonehearth to add a Necromancer class. I don't know. Twitch can handle a lot of people in all their rooms, so yeah. The gameplay of our game is coded in Lua. We're mucking around in JSON right now, just wiring up files and descriptions and localizations and all of that. The mod is it's just us kind of messing around. We'll have to talk to Stephanie about putting it anywhere if we ever do anything.
Jobs, Necromancer description. Oh. Okay.
Yeah, certainly we're not.
Okay. Cleric. No, we want this one. Alright, job ID, Necromancer, enabled, a lot of stuff in here. So aggressive, yeah, pretty aggressive, that makes sense. Necromancer abilities, we'll get to that. Necromancer outfit. Weapons tome.
That's fine, yeah, they're just
fine.
holding, yeah.
Cleric job, seems fine. Promote cleric, no, promote Necromancer. Task group, this is just what they can do, like restock healing. I'll let it heal.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
Images, icon, parent level requirement, let's just say 0. This is something related to the cleric's class, but we'll just leave that. Parent job will still be herbalist.
Makes sense.
XP, this is related to the cleric's job, but we'll just leave that. And these are all like the cleric's buffs.
We can just keep those in.
Okay, so now what else do we have here? We've got the Necromancer. So okay, rename this to be Necromancer.
Coasters Paul, we are making a mod to kind of learn just Angelo and I are both interested in mods. Stonehearth obviously is made as a mod, so you could say we work on mods as part of our day job, but we don't like work on mods in the way that like the community does. So we wanted to take a stab at something non-trivial and just kind of learn about how you'd go about doing that, maybe show kind of our process of how we work in the meantime. Did something wrong.
Well, that was not right. Let's
Stonehearth is the engine is written in C++. The gameplay is written in Lua. And we probably have a smattering of a few other languages here and there, like C# and Python for some tooling. That's probably about it. Trying to inject Haskell anywhere I can. Haven't found a spot yet.
All right.
Oh, and obviously JavaScript, because our UI is Ember.
Okay, great. We have Necromancer jobs.necromancer necromancer description. Must have messed something up there. Promote to Necromancer.
That's the file name, or is that the?
No, that's the alias.
Okay.
No, that's the alias. Okay, so that worked though. Maybe I'm...
Well, that's the description of the tome. This is looking for the description of the job.
Oh.
So we need...
Did we not do that?
I think we provided a file for... Let's double check.
Okay, let's go to en.json. Okay. So necromancer description. That was what it was looking for, right? Jobs.necromancer. Oh, it was making it. Okay, it was like one inside here.
Oh.
I think.
JSON.
JSON. Not this.
Get
one.
rid of that.
There we go. Okay.
Excuse me. Move that off the chat, please.
Okay. Sorry.
Thanks, Dad.
Thanks, Dad.
The Penguin Rage. Where to start in game development? That's a good question. I probably would recommend looking up something called Love 2D. I think it's probably the quickest way to get off of the ground running.
Anyone could be a necromancer. Yeah, it worked. Cool. Real scary hearthling. Requirements not met.
Love 2D is a simple game creation library, basically, written in Lua, and it's fairly simple to just kind of download, construct. You write up a couple callbacks that the documentation goes over in pretty good detail, and you can get a game running. They have good examples that just run from default. So what is the class this mod I'm supposed to do? Combat right now. We're trying to make it so that it can summon skeletons in combat.
Okay. Promote to necromancer. Probably crash right now. Let's see.
Yep.
Let's see. Necromancer abilities.
Oh.
Oh. Okay. Yeah, we can work on that.
That's not too bad.
Well, that wasn't what we were testing. We were testing the recipe, right? Okay, let's...
Oh, right. But, so you promote somebody to... Well, that was your herbalist.
Oh, okay. Change jobs. Speed 3. Go, go, go. Okay, herbalist.
Yeah,
so,
and...
Nice. Cleric's tome. Oh, what? What is this? Necronomicon. Oh. Meat resources. Empty.
Oh. I would get rid of that and just keep it leather.
Just leather?
Yeah.
And what's this?
We do only have 15 minutes. So.
Okay. Let's see. That's fine. So recipes, let's get rid of that. Meat resource.
It's probably just name something like meat or something like that, but
yeah,
I just delete it.
Okay. So we'll just say we need one leather, and this icon is not working for some reason. So let's see.
Oh well, I mean the other examples we've seen were
not relative.
Yeah, they were. It wasn't in file. So I mean, I actually don't know how the portrait loading code works.
Okay, well, let's just try that and see. Let's see, necromancer jobs.
It could also just be a typo.
Yeah, let's see. Images, icon. Yeah, it should be okay.
Do we have a function that detects if a specific mod is on? I don't think so.
Function. Okay. Where did everything go? There we go.
Okay.
Switch.
We could always add that, just push when a mod is loaded, to any of our utilibs, and just be able to query that.
Yeah, it doesn't seem. Look, we already have the mod menu. There might be something.
There might be, yeah. Bruno was just wondering about. Yeah. It has to be somewhere.
Okay. Have that here. Okay. Oh, you know what? It needs to be a tool. It needs to be under the tools.
Yeah, right now it's under furniture, I think.
Yeah.
So if you go back to the recipe.
This one?
Yeah, furniture.
Okay, so is that tools?
I think so.
Okay. Let's look at the cleric. Yeah, cleric. No, that's be the herbalist recipes, right? Oh, but it'll be just recipes. Any of these works, right? Craftable recipe. Oh, not any of them. Yep. Tools. Okay, cool. And close that. Close that. So let's get the AI. Let's see. We want it to spawn people when they're close to you. So.
Hello, Windy for Sun.
Let's open that. Oh, actually, we should finish the job description. Okay, so.
Well, if we want to do skeletons, we should get to that.
Well, yeah, I think. Okay, so cleric abilities, like we need to like rename these things and mix them in, I think.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Let's open contain folder and rename a bunch of stuff.
Hello, JP Waller.
Ooh, what is happening?
Did you press enter or just click out? Press enter. What?
Whoa, oh, okay, weird.
Windows?
Okay, that worked. Rename everything. I guess this outfit was working already.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's undo this. It'll just think it's a cleric. That's fine. So the description.
Move it back.
Oh. Okay, done.
You love moving stuff on the chat.
Cleric abilities. Nope. Let's do just a necromancer description. So the necromancer description has the equipment, necromancer outfit. We can just change that to cleric outfit. And then the necromancer abilities. We'll just wait. Where are the buffs?
Yeah, GMR Leon, thanks for re-mentioning Love 2D. And then if anybody wants to go about learning, Lua is the language you would write to use Love 2D, so you could always look up Lua, and that's what our gameplay code is written in. There's also a pretty good, somewhat good site called Learn X in Y Minutes that has a pretty good summary of Lua. So if you just look learn Lua in X minutes, or maybe it's learn Lua in Y minutes, that has like a file that you can run and kind of mess around with. It has a bunch of Lua code, and it's commented. It explains like what all the different functions do and like how tables work in Lua.
Okay, I need some sort of. What was the ranged combat BI tag? Has combat tag.
Yeah, Lua is used in quite a bit of places in the games industry. It's just really nice to be able to like ship Lua with your game, and you can ship whatever version of it. You can put Lua JIT, which is just kind of like a optimization library. You can do all kinds of stuff with it. Hinanowi, sorry, I'll mess up like every name. We are working on a mod to add a Necromancer class to the game, just so that we can learn what goes into making a mod. This isn't like this isn't going to be part of Stonehearth. This is just Angelo and Justin's sick mod. What spells would we give the Necromancer? Right now we're just trying to make it so that they can summon skeletons in combat, and then hopefully those skeletons go away, or else they just move in and gentrify the Ascendancy.
They can live there.
It's like, oh, my town was cool before all these skeletons came and started digging plots in my front yard.
Yeah, actions. So right now I'm just copying the ranged attack ranged action, and I'm going to
don't know how to. No, we know how mods work. We just have never like sat down and really like written one from start to finish. Stonehearth technically is a mod built on top of our engine, so we do most of our work on that level. We wanted to see what it would be like for like a community member to come in and add a class like this, which, I mean, obviously we have ideas of. We know like how the code works, but we've never done it like, you know, just from cloning the starter mod.
So Raise Dead is going to do the attack range action, or activity, sorry. And the priority is going to be higher than the other one. And I think I'm going to get no weapon data.
Any plans for Hearthling relationships? I would really like a relationship system. That's pretty much my favorite part of these kind of community sim style games. It would be fun to think about and fun to work on.
Okay, choose attack action. Attack types, passing through. It's fine. Stop thinking. I don't think we need these. And args target something. Standing on ladder. Yeah, don't want to stand on ladder. We don't have a weapon. Is in range and oh.
What'd you do? Oh, is in range and has line of sight.
We just want to say like has line of sight, right?
Oh. So summon a skeleton if you can see anything.
Yeah. Turn face, that's fine. Start cooldown, that's fine. Shoot timers, not shooting anything.
Yeah, the Penguin Rage, there was a fantasy setting, I think it was called the Scarred Lands, where there was like a whole civilization that like necromancers just went off to live in, and they were like, we have a lot of manual labor, we just have to summon the dead. Raise Dead.
So here.
This class is too spooky.
Okay. No. Wait. Entity? Is that pass through? Okay.
Yeah.
And this. Wait. Where's
Excuse me?
Where's our nice necromancer abilities? Not that. Not that. Here we go.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do this heal animation. Oops. That's. Oh God.
What are you doing?
I'm setting the heal. So basically, here it's running an effect.
Yep.
I'm just gonna pass the effect name.
Okay.
I need to get the attack info from ranged attacks. So let's just find where that was ever. No, not in CSS. Oh no.
If you don't have a ranged checkpoint that permit cross-map raising, I need to double check exactly how. Does our line of sight have any notion of a range?
I don't know.
Suffice it to say, even if it did, it's often good when you're developing this kind of thing to get something that works, like even if it's pretty janky. or ridiculously overpowered or underpowered or whatever. Just get it working and then start iterating over that.
Seems legit. Okay, so it's gonna get that from there. And where'd my action go? Raise dead. Okay. So I have attack ranged, raise dead. Okay, so there's something in Microworld.
Does Stonehearth have a subreddit? We do. We generally check our discourse a little more frequently. I try and keep my eye on Reddit. I think Brad does as well. If you go to stonehearth.net and then go to, I think it's community and forums, that goes to our discourse where the heart of our community is.
So right now I'm just like copying this spawn monster thing from Microworld, so we can spawn this. So the population, the role is going to be skeleton, and the NPC player ID.
Thanks, Stephanie.
Is going to be undead.
I will fully attest, coding is never glamorous.
No, it's such trash. Okay, so population, members. I don't think we need to return the member, but that's fine. We don't need any of this.
Yeah.
These are just like members of that population.
Mm-hmm.
So we have this thing. Oh, we need this from. Oh, where's Microworld?
Oh, just import it in. Yeah, it's Stonehearth uploaded it. Yeah.
Okay, so going to loop.
No, we code more like Dennis Nedry in Jurassic Park than the Matrix. Yeah, GMR Leon. It's unfortunate, and that's kind of one of the big problems you get with languages kind of like Lua. They have their advantages, but then being, dynamic and having, no type checking, the one character thing is certainly frustrating. But the upside is you can get like a game going in almost nothing. Well, not almost nothing, but you can work on features and iterate very quickly.
So here we're setting the player ID to player 1.
Yeah, but there's no compiler for Lua, really. Or Lua is generally interpreted.
Info. Okay, we need this to be... What is that? Where's that manifest? Skeleton. Undead, skeleton... Where's the tuning? Monster tuning.
Yeah, C++'s memory management isn't the most fun thing in the world. It's good to know. It'll really strengthen your chops because it's very similar to how, memory's working on the actual metal. So knowing how like pointers and all that work is a good thing to like level yourself up as a developer. C++ as it continues to improve with like C++ 14 and stuff, and resource acquisition is initialization, RAII or RAII, however you say it. It's getting easier to write C++ without having to directly manage memory. That said, that's why lots of people like what they call managed languages like C# and Java. Those, of course, have their upsides that you're not doing manual memory management. They have their downsides in lots of other places. every language has its ups and downs.
So I'm adding the raise dead action to our manifest, so we can load this. Now I have to inject this action in our abilities. Okay.
Oh,
not that.
What games do you like aside from Stonehearth?
Who, me?
Yeah.
I like Minecraft.
Minecraft's fun. A bunch of the team was just playing Minecraft at lunch. I like Dwarf Fortress. That's probably my favorite game. If I had to pick a game that frustrates me for the rest of my life, it'd be probably be Dwarf Fortress.
Alright. Iconic, Necromancer, Talisman. Upgrade to Necromancer.
Please work.
Yeah,
they're talking about wood. Oh, do we have the... okay, there we go. Texture Dwarf Fortress?
Oh, okay.
As in, like, with a visual mod? No, I play Dwarf Fortress just vanilla.
Could not load script.
I do like RimWorld quite a bit as well. Let's go. Oh, raise that action.
Okay, so we got AI actions combat. Raise dead action .lua. So where's that? We need to open the.
I have no idea what happened to Cube World. What's going on?
Let's see. Assert component could not trace back. AI injector. Oh yeah, you know, maybe I put the wrong Necromancer ability. Yeah. This actually, we wanted a different name for this. So, yeah, we want this to be.
Bye, Mally.
See you later. Raise dead.
Right.
And inside here, we need this to be Necromancer raise dead. Because that's in our mod. Alright.
Interesting. Know why adding CSS within applied manifest does not work. Bruno hypothesizes that the game already has a copy of the CSS file and ignores later editions. That's hard to say. I actually don't like. I've used Ember and like done some CSS stuff in the past, but I've never looked into like how our loading works. Who would know that? Stephanie might. Yeah, we could look into it. I will ping you on the forums, Bruno, if I find out.
Okay. Now let's see what they do when they fight. Is that all we needed?
I think so.
I don't know. Okay.
Well, I'd spawn a goblin and see what happens.
Whoa, not that. This one. Let's see. Trigger now. Okay. Ambient threats. That's. Why is it waiting? Oh. Okay. Trigger now.
Oh, thanks, GMR Leon, about the UI. Yeah, we have a great UX designer. Linda's really smart about UI. I try and do a little bit here and there.
Oh, get world location.
Oh.
Oh, entities dot.
Yeah.
So that's here. Hopefully that quick save I just did worked. A space mod. Ooh,
Space
like
mod would
outer
be
space.
fun.
Yeah, that would be awesome.
I've been wanting to try oxygen not included, or oxygen not required, oxygen not included. Can never remember the new Clea game.
So, oh, Heath, Hearth.
Stonehearth here.
Okay.
Strings are computer science's second greatest sin.
What's the first greatest sin?
No, you know my answer. Either that or just computer science itself.
Yeah.
No, I oxygen not included. Yeah, I think that's it. I haven't actually tried it.
A World War II mod. Whoa, that would be crazy.
Get to work on when you get Mali creating the M1 Grand mod. All right, what?
Player ID past a set. Oh, what? No player ID set past a set player ID.
Huh.
Whoa, what are all these skeletons? Are they? Oh, but they're attacking us?
It looks like they're attacking the Entlings.
Oh, and us. Oh, oh no.
Okay, so the skeletons are just a third faction, I guess.
Okay, let's change that. Oh, we need to. Okay, yeah, we need to pass the member. Okay, try again.
Feel like we're almost there.
Almost.
I like the idea of the Necromancer just summoning skeletons and then having no idea that they like aren't in their control.
Okay, there we go. It's
Skeleton's a little slow, but gotta take what you can get. Oh, and then he's healing the.
Oh, he's healing the skeleton.
I think the warrior.
Oh. Okay, so it's spawning skeletons. Oh, perfect. Nice. Crispin bones.
Nice.
Right,
Oh, right. I forgot we have a name generator for the skeletons.
Okay, so we're already pretty late, but I wanted to go over like modifying the, because right now like the tome is the same color as the cleric's tome and all that, but I guess I'll just say that real quick.
Okay.
Let's see. So you can go into your mod and like change these files. So if you were in here, I don't know. If you were here and you could just go and, oh god, you could, if you knew how to use this program, go in and like change these icons.
Nice.
There we go. That's a pretty good one.
That's grim.
And then they'll load. Same thing with the QB files. If you wanted to change your outfit, you can open these in
Cubicle?
Cubicle.
Do we have Cubicle on here?
Yes. Let's see if we can open that file. I wonder if dragging it will work.
That'd be nice.
Yeah.
Oh,
all right.
cool.
So you can go and sorry, Dad. Go over here and like do a fill tool and be like, all right, well, actually, the Necromancer likes orange.
Very very Halloween.
Whatever.
Yeah.
And yeah, you go through and you do that, and then you could
Save it.
you would save it, and then you'd load, and you could have like different clothing and
Yeah.
images and all that.
Nice. Well, looks like we have a somewhat functioning mod.
More or less.
So that wasn't too bad. there's a little bit of wiring up that is. I'm not sure how you really get around that because it does allow for kind of like being able to mix in all these files. Yeah, I don't think it was. I don't think it was a bad experience. Definitely learned a lot doing this. What do you think about it?
I don't know. We should do this again sometime. I think, like making.
Mods.
I learned a lot. I think, so.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, thanks for looking into all that and doing all the tapping.
So.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I think that's about the end of the stream.
Yeah. Thanks for watching.
Yeah. Thanks for coming, everybody. Thanks for asking questions and providing input. Yeah, it's fun time. All right.
See ya.
Share the mod. We'll see about it. We'll see.
Know.
We'll go see what everybody else thinks on the team. Petition for it.
Couldn't hurt, right?
Bye.
Bye.